Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today's Frugal Friday, and this is where I witter on about viewers' comments, tips and tricks, and the videos that I've made during the week. We're all still talking about how shops are ripping people off, overcharging and not applying offers and stuff. Sabaya then saw, hiya Sabaya, 506, says she got overcharged in M&S and got shortchanged at a garden centre. See, it's not just Asda, it seems to be everywhere. Iceland, for example. A new viewer, Penny Lane 1, hello honey. They got charged full price on an offer at Sainsbury's, stopped the cashier and got it rectified. So even somewhere like Sainsbury's are doing it as well. I think there's something definitely amiss, isn't there? Something going on. And they made a funny comment which I thought was quite good. It said, nice try, but no cigars for Sainsbury's. Yeah, I like that. Kids and grandkids, A40. Hello, honey. I thank you for all your comments during the week. She said years ago, you go to customer services and they give you a full refund and you get to keep the goods. These days, they make out and treat you as if you're being awkward. Yeah, I just think they always act like you're ruining their lives, don't they? When you're asking for what's right. I mean, if they want to give you offers and they want to give you reduced stuff, they need to charge those prices. Kerry James 6312. Hello, Kerry, honey. Thank you for all the comments this week. She says she's been fed up being charged full price and says a reduced price. Yeah, I think we've all had our fill of it. I just wanted to thank everyone for the encouragement for me fixing up my bathroom. Another slow slog to getting it done, like that wall. I've been tiling a bit today. Begrudgingly, reluctantly, everything because it's just like, oh God, more tiling. But yes, I've started tiling today. I've started one wall. I will show you when I've done a whole wall, because even though the walls are small, they're quite high, so it's going to take me a while to get to the top. So I just don't want to be doing like I did last time. Oh look, I stuck on 4 tiles. Oh my God, I'd rather wait till I've done the whole wall and then show you. I've got 2 different types of tile, so when I've shown you one wall, I'll be going, ooh, the other wall's going to be different. Yeah, I know. I need to get out more. I definitely need to get out more. Oh yeah, another viewer that's new, Amanda JC2996, says she has loads to do in our air house if I fancy doing it. God, I can barely do mine. I feel like I'm a treacle, everything's in slow-mo. But thank you for the sentiment. Alexander Port, hello honey, you've been with me from the beginning. He said that's why you save up bits from around the house, yeah, because I used the bits of skirting board that I had in my wood stash, also known as the cupboard under the stairs. Dare I say it, like Harry Potter? Shh, we can't mention the books. Shh, can't mention the books, because they've all gone to the charity shop now. Dodgy books have all gone, yay! Right, I wrote this down. Oh, honestly, I wrote this down and I can't read Moonlighting. I can't believe I'm still decluttering. It's getting there now. I feel like I've sort of broke the back on it now. I've just, yeah, so I'm taking about 2 bags a week to the shop now. I got rid of my son's old bike and bits of stuff's gone in the bin, loads of bits of papers. I found some papers and stuff I still had from school and stuff like that. If you're new here, I used to be a teacher for my sins, yeah, so that's all gone. That's the last of it. And I got rid of the last pair of school trousers as well, so oh God, I'm glad to see it gone. Done and dusted, it's gone. I sold one of those pairs of gloves. I showed some gloves last week and I sold them for a great big £3.50. But I think it's £3.50 wasn't bad. My green dress that I showed you the other day, that's still up for sale, so I'm hoping someone buys it because it is lovely. It's from Coast, and it's a shame, but I don't, because I wore it. I went on a cruise years ago and I wore it on a cruise, and then I wore it to a friend's birthday who used to work in the charity shop with, lovely Sue. It was a 50th birthday and I wore the dress to a 50th birthday party. I only wore it twice. I'm hoping someone will find a use for it, because it's a shame, because it's just languishing there. Nobody's using it and I won't be using it again. When I mentioned about doing DIY and stuff, lovely Taffy Nige Webb, he said, blimey, sit down and have a cuppa. Yeah, I think he thinks I'm really busy. I'm not. I'm dead slow and I only do a bit. And when I say a bit, I mean a bit. Like today, I put 1 row of tiles in. Yeah, so it is slow. I did 4 rows yesterday. I was in, which is loads for me. There's only 5 rows up, and I think there's going to be another 20 easily. So it's like, yeah, I'll get there in the end, but it is slow going. I still can't read me writing. Right, I'll turn over. Oh, but this is a Chippy Tuesday video, charity shop video, where I got 2 t-shirts. This is one of them, for £1. So 50p t-shirt and a pair of jeans, where I said I was going to make a cushion. Lovely Mary Lynch 251. Hello Mary, nice to speak to you. And my lovely Sabaya and so hey Sabaya, she's great. She sends me lovely messages every day, along with Kerry and Sue and Taffy Nige, Lynn Norman, Jenny Conroy, Grace Conroy, and a lovely Numel Rivera and Frank McHale. Sorry, I can't pronounce your name. Irish Welsh as well. She's a new one, lovely lady. Mary Lynch, thank you, honey. I've just got some lovely viewers. Thank you. I appreciate all your encouragements and all your nice things that you say. It's so nice. You're so kind. And they said they wanted to see the cushion, because I bought a pair of bleached denim jeans and I said I was going to cut them off my cushion. I've made a start. Please don't be impressed, because it is slow going. I've just done some back stitch. So if you're wondering about the felt tip marks, that's an erasable marker. So I'm doing like zigzaggy patterns on it so far. So as you can see, I've not done that much. I've just started doing diamondy like shapes. So there you go. There's my efforts. Not finished yet, because I want to do some more colours on it yet as well. Sue R I5OB, hello Sue, lovely lady. She says she loves fried rice, because I did a fried rice video where I used up my old boiled rice, and she said when she used to be working, she always made loads extra to take to work, and it was always much nicer the next day. It's funny that, isn't it? Like stew, scouse, it's always gorgeous the next day, because it's had a while to do the hubble bubble thing, hasn't it? Lovely Iris Welsh, she's done some new comments. New Irish Welsh 3555. She said she's that's what she's making tonight. Yeah. I got some cheap shopping yesterday, bargain just under £7 in Asda. I was so pleased. And a new viewer, Craig Barnes C210U, said this is what we all do now, not because we want to, because we have to, as the country's in a mess. Yeah, it's in the pits, isn't it? It's not really improving, unless you're at the top, of course. Sabaya had me laughing, because I had a reduced chicken, and she says, oh, the label says succulent chicken, it never says, oh, it's dry and stringy. Yeah, they always make out, oh, this is lovely, and then when you get it, you're like, that's a bit of an anticlimax, isn't it? So there was going to be a longer video, but I can't read me writing. I've rambled on here, and I can't read it, YOLO, because I've got black marker pen on that side, and because it's come through, I can't read me writing. So there you go, a short video today. I hope you're really well. I hope you're doing fine. Get yourself out, because let's not just think about money all the time and bills all the time. I've just had me lucky bill. I haven't even looked at it. I'm scared to look at it. So I don't know about you, but I've had my limit with bills. I think we've all had it, haven't we? Keep going up, and we seem to be getting less for it, particularly council tax. It's just like, what are we paying for? the bins to be emptied once in a blue moon. The roads are a state. Police don't even come out. The police just give you the crime number. It's just like, what are we paying for? And then the people who are working there, the people at the top, are giving themselves bonuses and putting the wages up. It's madness. That cheeky fellow, the CEO of British Gas, called me. He was on the news and he was asking for more money, basically for their infrastructure. And British Gas made something like $1.25 billion in profits last year, as part of Centrica. And I'm like, so he wants the British public to pay. This is the same with the railways as well, isn't it? Where they want us to pay for their infrastructure. The water companies are saying, we're private, we're in business. And then they want us to pay for infrastructure. Either it's private or it's public. It can't be both, because people are paying enough at both ends of it, aren't they? So let me know what you think about that as well, because I don't know about you, but I just feel like I'm paying for every other bugger and there's nothing to show for it. So bye for now. Have a great weekend while the weather's nice and pretty and just a bit more cheerful, isn't it, when you're out in the sunshine? And I'm about to go and bring the dog for a walk because it's been too warm to take it out during the day. So hope to see you soon. Bye for now.